how to log in to Amazon Prime. So if you want to log into Amazon Prime, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Amazon Prime. Once you've searched for Amazon Prime, here you will have www.primevideo.com. You can go for that, and then you can simply go for the upper right, which has that profile icon, and go for sign in. And to sign into your Prime, you need to first enter your email address or your mobile number of your Amazon Prime account. So enter that and then click on continue. And once you enter, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot your password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you have accidentally entered the wrong email address, then you can go for change and you can change your email address and you can enter your password again. So if you remember, then enter your password and click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, if your information is correct, then it will log you into your Amazon Prime Video account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.